Yeah, Bowyangs. How happy I am with the validation of my attempts to put straps into pants that I make at that point when I discovered Bowyangs, thanks to a new friend I met who's a shearer, and they still use them. They definitely have a function. They bellow out the knee so you can move around without your pants pulling on your thighs, and when they pull on the thighs they pull down, and with that pulling they wear out. But there's one other thing that I've realized about Bowyangs: toileting in the bush. Look at that. So in those moments where we're taking a squat, there's sometimes, very often, the worry about your pants dropping into not only the business but just wet grass or whatever's on the ground, or in public toilets it's the same. You unbutton your pants and then they're free to fall to the ground if you don't hold them somehow, and these Bowyangs hold them up. And it's great discovery about them. So start wearing Bowyangs, even if you've not got peak oil gear. Just try them out on your bush gear. Try them out on your pants. See if they help hold them up better around your waist. See how you like them with toileting. See how you like them with just general movement, freedom of movement. Make sure your pants are long enough to bellow out. That's what it's all about. And this one's all that's needed. This one just gets strapped in here. I noticed in the pictures of the swagmen and the shearers, they don't even bother to strap that in down there. Fair enough. I like to strap it in because Bowyangs come in at your knee, and then the rest, because these are boot cut to get over ski boots and whatever, they flare out. So when you're not wearing those sort of boots, strap it in, and it just feels so solid down there. Anyway, I could rave on it forever about these little discoveries, looking at workwear, realizing the function for it and how it solves a range of problems that you weren't even aware of, really. You weren't even thinking about, and then you're like, suddenly, well, that makes a lot of sense. So get along to workwear places, get along to historical reenactments, and learn a thing or two about clothing.